While styling modern web pages with CSS, you cannot ignore the concepts of Flexbox and Grid. These are two powerful tools which make building components and layouts a breeze. But only if you know them really well enough. Otherwise, you'll spend a lot of time debugging and wondering why something is not working. The only way to really master these is by learning through real-world examples. Since I could not find a single resource on the web that explains these concepts using real examples, I created one myself. This ebook is all you need if you want to love CSS and build layouts with pleasure. Let's see how it's different from the traditional approach. Take a look at the very first concept. I will not directly teach you the properties of Flex or Grid. I will first show you some real components and layouts like this one here and this and something like this and another example here, and then make you think how to build these using the CSS concepts you already know. I even provide you with a try it out button that takes you to a CodePen link with all the HTML and other styles in place. Now you have a problem at hand and you want a solution. So then I provide you with few lines of CSS you need to add to get the working solution, and only then explain the concept you need to know. This is called problem-based learning, which will not only keep you motivated throughout the book, but also help you retain the knowledge far better. You also have working solution provided for every single example in case you want to play with it and explore further. Following the same approach, I have covered all the concepts of Flex and Grid using more than 70 real-world examples in this 190 pages ebook. Not just that, I have created another version with almost all the examples using Tailwind CSS, where I talk about the available utility classes along with the CSS properties. And you also have all the working demos in Tailwind Play links. You can buy this book right now at Gumroad for $10. You will see 3 options. If you go for the first one, you get an ebook with vanilla CSS code snippets and working solutions, and all the concepts are explained using regular CSS. If you go for the second one, you get the ebook version where all the concepts are explained using Tailwind CSS utility classes and the working demos are in Tailwind too. But if you go for the third, you get 2 separate ebooks, Vanilla CSS and Tailwind CSS. This is the most popular one so far. And if you're amongst the first few people watching this video, use the code THYRUS50 to get a 50% discount. Limited copies obviously, so try it out and see if it works for you. And as you can see, more than 1,000 people have already bought the book and loved it in the last 5 months. Highly knowledgeable folks in the industry like Adam Wathan, Caleb Porzio, and Jessica Chan are recommending this ebook. If you still want a preview, you can click on this link to preview the first 25 pages for free. Just type in 0 here and download it. If you have any questions at all, my direct messages on Twitter are open. Fire away! I hope you can gift this ebook to yourself today and make your CSS life a lot easier. Thank you for watching. Hit a like and share this video ahead. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single video from Thyrus.